Hey, let me show you how we can take the macro photos on the Redmi A3. So in this smartphone, unfortunately, there's no dedicated the macro photo mode, but we can actually take good looking photos. So what I mean, first of all, just be sure that you are in the photo mode and turn on the HDR. Now, when we are trying to take a photo, so basically put this lens really close to the subject, like this. As you can see, it's out of the focus. But when we manually set it up, it will actually catch the focus. But we can actually go too close. So for example, like this. Let's do this one more time because we lost the focus. There we go. But as you can see, now this is the only result that we can get. So it looks like this. It's not actually impressive, right? So if you want to get more details, I can recommend you to zoom in, but not too much. Like for example, to 2.3. And try to put this camera a little bit closer. If it's actually losing the focus, just put it a little bit higher. And you can try to zoom in closer to, like, I don't know, maybe 3.5. Because when you go closer, you will actually get a lot of noises. So now we just take the photo. And this is the photo taken with the normal mode, and this is taken with the 3.5 zoom. And for me it looks better. We can find some more details, especially these pieces of the dust and this material, and that's how it looks in this one. So this is like definitely less details right here. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.